Hi, this is Griffin with Mega Premier Furniture, and today we're going to be building the Better Homes and Gardens 4-cube modular set. This is the white finish, and this product can only be found on Walmart.com. Before you start, you want to make sure that none of your panels have any damage and that you have all of your hardware. If you have any issues, you can contact the number on the front of the manual and we'll get you taken care of. If everything is in order, then we can begin assembly. For step 1, we're going to take our 8 A panels and 32 of our wooden dowels. We're then going to insert 4 wooden dowels into each panel on the 4 innermost pre-drilled holes. So there will be 2 on this side, then 2 on the opposite side. And we will repeat that 7 more times. Okay, for step 2, we're going to repeat this process 4 times, and we're going to use 32 of our screws here, and then we will also have 32 of our caps, which we can do at the end. So to start, you can take an A panel. You want to position it so that the unfinished edge is facing up. You'll then grab a B panel, attach it to the A panel so that its unfinished edge is facing up. You will then secure using 2 of your screws. You don't want to screw them all the way in until you've made a complete cube. So just get them started. Next, take another A panel, again, unfinished side facing up. Secure with 2 more screws. Then lastly, take 1 more B panel, and again, position this one with the unfinished edge facing up. You want those wooden dowels sliding into those holes there. And then use 4 more screws on this side. Then you will want to tighten down all 4 screws. Okay, now that you have all unfinished edges on that side, you should have all finished edges on this side. Make sure that you have all the screws tightened down so that everything is flush. And repeat that 3 more times. Okay, once we've built our 4 cubes, we're going to take our 32 caps and cover up all of those screws. Using the caps, it just slides right on there. Okay, for step 3, we're going to be nailing down our C panel with our nails. You will notice that there are 2 edges with a pre-drilled hole in the middle. These do not have one in the middle. The ones in the middle will nail in to the A panels, whereas the ones with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes will go on the B panel. So like so. So I have an A panel here with the hole in the middle. You then want to line that up on all 4 edges. Make sure nothing is overhanging. You're then wanting to nail into each of these pre-drilled holes. And you want to avoid the bigger pre-drilled holes. You only want to nail into the smaller ones. So there's 3 along these 2 edges, and then 2 along these 2 edges. You can use our nail holder here. Simply insert the nail into that little hole, hold the nail holder up against the unit, nail down, pull out, and finish hitting the nail in. Make sure that this panel did not move when nailing, and then continue on. Okay, so you should nail in 10 nails per square, with 3 on this side and 2 on each of these sides. Repeat that for the rest of the units. Okay, for step 4, we're going to repeat this 4 times, or once per cube. We're going to take 2 of these per cube, and 2 of these little pads, and 4 of our screw number 2s. To start, we're going to attach our 2 little hangers onto the same side of the C panel, and you want to make sure that you align it to where the circle is away from this edge, or it's pointing towards the top of the unit, because whenever you hang this on a wall, you want the screw to be able to slide into that little groove there, and so that it hangs from the wall. So you want the circle facing towards me, the little point pointing that way. Then just align it with the pre-drilled holes and attach with 2 screws. Okay, once you have those tightened down, you will then want to attach these little pads to protect your wall, just down here. One on this side, and the other on this other side. We're then going to repeat that 3 more times on our other 3 cubes. Once you have attached the hanging brackets and pads to the back of the units, they are now ready to be hung to a wall. Please refer to the instructions in the manual on how to do that, or stay tuned for part 2 of this video.